this brief video, I'll guide you through the process of disabling the inverted camera feature on your iPhone. I'll present two different methods, one for existing photos and another for future photos. Let's begin with the methods for photos you capture from now. Access the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you locate the camera section and tap on it. Continue scrolling down until you find the option Mirror Front Camera. Enable this feature. From now on, any photos taken using the front camera will no longer be inverted. Now let's move on to the methods for existing photos. Open the specific photo you wish to edit on your iPhone. Tap the Edit button located in the top right corner of the screen. At the bottom of the editing page, you'll notice three icons. Select the one with two arrows pointing in opposite directions. In the top left corner, you'll find another icon. Tap on it to invert the photo. Once you have successfully inverted the photo, tap Done in the bottom right corner to save your changes. You have learned how to disable the inverted camera for future photos and invert existing photos on your iPhone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please show your support by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and good luck.